In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom code into your Webflow site. Getting this process right is important for those times when you want to add custom JavaScript, HTML, or other snippets to enhance your website's functionality. So, whether you're looking to add some interactive content or perhaps you've developed a fun little widget, I'm here to guide you through it smoothly. First, let's start by opening Webflow, a powerful tool for designers and developers alike. Once you're in, navigate to your project dashboard. It's from here that you can access any of your sites. Go ahead and open the site where you'd like to embed your custom code. As the page loads, you'll see all the familiar site building tools and your design workspace at the center. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface, particularly on the left-hand side where we have our tools, the real powerhouse section of Webflow. Your focus should be on an area that may have caught your attention already: the Add Elements panel. This panel is crucial because it contains all the building blocks you need to customize your site. Now, with a gentle scroll down this Add Elements panel, you'll be met with a variety of different layout options. Keep scrolling until you find the Code Embed element. This is very important because the Code Embed element is what you'll use to place your custom code directly into your site's design. Once you've located the Code Embed option, go ahead and click on it. This action allows you to choose exactly where on your site you want your new code to run. After you've determined the perfect spot, you'll see an input field provided for your convenience. This field is where you'll paste your custom code. It's worth taking a moment to double-check the code you've prepared for pasting. Ensuring there are no errors or unnecessary elements can save you time troubleshooting later down the line. So, once you're satisfied, copy your code from wherever you have it stored and then paste it neatly into the input field provided by the Code Embed element. Once your code has been pasted, look for the Save option. Clicking Save ensures that your work is locked in and your changes are live on the site when you decide to publish. You'll also want to check that everything is running smoothly by previewing your site. This simple check can help you catch any unexpected issues. Remember, embedding custom code can unlock many exciting features for your site, and knowing how to safely do so is a great skill in your Webflow toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.